Let's make this simple animated spiral background using Linearity Move. As usual, I'm using a 3000 by 3000 canvas. I've selected custom because I've made this a custom size. We're going to use the triangle tool. You can find it here on the left side. It's right beneath the brush tool. Tap on it, select the star, set the amount of sides to 3. Beneath all of the tools, there are 2 circles with color. I'm just going to tap in it, change that color to pink, tap on the circle to close the color panel. I just swiped down on my canvas and I made a triangle. Just gonna 2-finger tap to undo. I did not like the direction, so I'm gonna swipe up instead. Perfect. On the top left, click on the arrow tool or the transform tool or move tool. Now I'm just gonna resize my triangle. So I'm just using 2 fingers to pinch out, zoom out. The node or the blue circle at the top of the triangle, I'm just dragging it up. The node at the center of the bottom of the triangle, I am dragging it down. Same for the nodes on either side of the triangle. I'm just resizing it to a shape that I like. I like this. Yeah, this is kind of cute. Awesome. Okay, now I have my grids on because I want blue lines to show up to let me know that I have my triangle set to the center, or the tip of my triangle to the center. So if you notice, my grids check marked, snap to guides check marked. Okay, swipe down and I see all the lines and let me know it's perfectly centered. Awesome. On the left, right on my triangle tool, my arrow tool, sorry, I'm gonna click rotate and duplicate. This little circle here at the bottom, I'll just zoom in so you can see it quickly. This little circle, it's my rotation point. I'm just gonna move this to the center. Perfect. Now all I need to do is put my pen anywhere on the triangle and start to move it and it will duplicate. So I'm moving it, but I want it to snap perfectly to 45 degrees. So I'll place my finger and hold and it'll snap. I took my finger off. Now I am moving another triangle, placing my finger to tap and hold and it will snap. And I will continue to do this till all the circles are filled in. Perfect. Be sure to deselect rotation and deselect duplicate. Start from anywhere off of the artboard, swipe and select all of the triangles, click group. Now I want to duplicate all of the shapes together. So I'm going to click on rotate, duplicate mode, and I'm just going to freeform it and rotate it to something that looks visually correct for me. Deselect rotate, deselect duplicate, and I'm just going to change the color to the light green. This is fine. Awesome. Now I have both groups. I'm just going to start off of the canvas and start to swipe to select both groups and group them together to make them one group. At the top left, all the way to the top, it says Untitled. I'm just going to click on it, click rename, and name it Spiral. Now we're ready to head over to Move. Now we're here in Move. This is the file we just created in Curve. Let's go ahead and tap on it. Wait for it to download. Open it up, click select all, drag it down. Click import. Now to animate the spiral, it's actually really simple. Click on group. At the top right, click on the plus sign, bottom left, click on presets. Scroll down to the in section. It says in here. And I'm going to select spin in. We are halfway there. It's this simple. Now it's pretty short, so I'm just going to select this line here for the scene, and I'm going to extend it to the end of the animation, so to around 5 seconds. Now I'm going to click on the group, cascade it, and I'm going to click on rotation, and I'm going to head over here to the animation tab right here, And I'm going to change the time into linear. Then at the bottom left, click on opacity, and the same thing, change the time into linear, but this time I also want my opacity to be full 100% from start to finish. Okay, and we're done. It is this simple. Let's restart it and watch our animation. Ah, this is really cool. Let's bring it up big screen and you can see it. I want to deselect this. And there you have it. We made a spiral animation using Move by Linearity.